Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to let you watch me retwist my hair with a new product, well, new to me at least. It is called Locs. They went ahead and sent me two things. This is the Dreadlock Moisturizer, and then they went ahead and sent me the Loc Growth Oil. So if you're interested in seeing this video and knowing what this did in my hair, then keep on watching. So we're going to jump right into this video, but first let me start by welcoming anyone who is new to my channel. Whether you're here for my fashion or beauty or any other upload on my channel, you're in the right place. Make sure you are clicking that notification bell and subscribing to the channel so you'll be notified when I upload a video that you will specifically enjoy watching. Alright, so let's just talk about the products first and then we'll get into the retwist portion. So we're going to start off with the Locs Loc Growth, a lightweight organic oil designed to support lock growth and scalp relaxation. It's free of sulfates, parabens, pegs, I'm not even gonna do this with y'all. The P word, silicone, dyes, wax, and free of mineral oils. This comes with a little dropper. That's what the oil looks like in the inside. I love that it's a dropper because it makes it easy for you to drop it right onto your scalp. It comes with 4 ounces and it smells wonderful. It smells so good. The next product we're going to move on to is the Locs Dreadlock Moisturizer. This one says that it's lightweight, healthy hair locking moisturizer that prevents locks from damaging and drying out. You guys know I have super dry hair, so anything that says it's not going to dry it out anymore, I'm just so excited for. This is free of dyes, silicone, mineral oil, parabens, and it says that it is residue free. The product blend of chemical-free ingredients to moisturize, twist, and tame your locks without leaving any debris, buildup, or flakes. Alright. It says it on the bottle, so I'm really excited. This is an 8-ounce jar. Let me let you see the inside. This is what the product looks like. Shout out to Will for hooking up the EOS utility where I can see if I'm in frame and This is what it looks like. I would say it's a mix between a lightweight gel and aloe vera. So it's right in between. It's just, it just seems like it would hydrate. Now, it says an 8-ounce jar, but it does come kind of like not all the way full. So I'm going to start the retwist portion. I want to let you know that I did wash my hair. So I am going to start on damp hair. Let's go. the finished result of using the Locs product. If you want to know the ingredients, I will have them listed down below. It's super short and that's what I love, but this is the result, and I feel like my hair is super shiny where I applied it. I'm going to put a little bit more oil on my scalp just because I like to do that after as well. And I'm going to focus it more in the back because I feel like sometimes I don't get oil in the back as much. It smells so good. All these products smell super good. The real test will be to see if it does cause any residue or any flakage or anything like that. Also, I update in the description box after consecutively using it so I can see if it washes out nicely. But so far so good. I'm like, if I had to rate this with all the other Loc products that I've used, Loc products like from other companies, because y'all know I stand by my aloe vera gel. I'm not talking about aloe vera gel. I'm talking about out of all the products that I use on my channel, I feel like from this point I like this one like more. You guys can definitely check my Loc journey playlist to see what products those are. So we just got to make sure everything is good with it, no residue, no flakage, because you know, you guys, I do not like the buildup. If you guys are wondering about my Loc jewelry, I will be releasing my Loc jewelry this summer, so if you're interested, make sure you let me know down below so that I can go ahead and put it out as soon as possible. If any of you are wondering where I got either my shirt or my jewelry from, I just did a haul. It's all from Shein. These necklaces were like $1 or $1.50. This shirt was like $7, you know, as well as the earrings. So make sure you check that video out if you are interested in some affordable clothing. Before you go, make sure you check out this video, and also subscribe right here. Make sure you're clicking that notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a video, you guys. As usual, I love you. Bye.